Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, consider subscribing down below. Hit my notifications. This is from Diamond Art. I haven't tried them. I don't think I've tried them. Oop. So, we're going to use the new knife. Oh yeah, sharp enough. Sorry, I bumped you there. Diamond Art. We would like to say thank you for purchasing from Diamond Art, California. We hope that you continue to choose us for many years to come. Diamond Art is committed to providing our clients with high quality products. We stand by what we sell by offering a full 30-day back guarantee if we do not meet your high expectations of us. Should you discover an issue with your purchase, missing drills, canvas, glue problem, do not hesitate to contact us. We will make it right. Well, I'm not going to read the whole thing. Yeah, I've been waiting for this one too. We're going to find out. And no one can say this is stolen art. It's a Van Gogh. When he died, he didn't license his thing. Any of his artwork is free reign. Just saying. And I want to mention, if some reason I accidentally put up a DP that slipped by me. Oh, they set extra blue wax. Cool. Don't confront me in the comments or try to let me know. My email will be down below. Email me so I can definitely take it off my channel. But we don't have to worry about that with this one today. And it's a Mona Lisa. Let's get her out. I'm actually filming all these at one time, but it'll be uploaded at different times. It is poured glue. First impressions, I could do this. It's principal painted this. Here she is. Let's remove some of this. Okay, it's been photo. I'm probably going to have to iron this. I'll put it under the bed is what I'm going to do. Definitely going to need the light pad with this. It has a total of 25 colors. It is a 40 by 50. I know for me, this small. Wait till you see the next video. But we're concentrating on nice, isn't that nice? And it says happy drilling. 40 by 50. Do they come pretty bad? Let's take a look. No, they don't. But the bags are interesting. They're bigger bags. Here we see some of the color. 33.71. I don't want to pick all these up because I got like 8 DPs going at the same time, and I got to stop myself from kidding up and doing until I finish some of them. Just saying. 25 colors. I wish she was in squares. I wonder, with just 25 colors, it does give you, they're all by number list, up to 6, as you see, because here's the thumbnail, here's the thumbnail. Maybe order the colors in squares, and because there's no training wheel on this at all, I bet you I could do that. And so I'm going to be thinking on that. In the meantime, we're going to be putting it up. Let's put this in the cart. Okay, folks. This is what next video is going to be the one I've been really waiting on. So, happy diamond painting. Oh, I just love that knife. I love that knife.